Hello students, Riddhi, Advika, did you like yesterday's story? And what about Swaraj? Then Agastya, have you told that story to your parents? Very good children. Now children, yesterday I told you that we are going to learn more about fruits and vegetables in our science lesson number 3. So are you ready for that? Let us go for that. Now see children, plants bear fruits. Means fruits grow on the plants. And these fruits are very important not only for trees or plants but also for us because they keep us healthy. Eating fruits is very good for our health. Even doctor uncle advised to eat fruits. Why? Because we get lot of energy from fruits. We get natural sugar and other food ingredients from fruits. So we should eat fruits. And do you all like to eat fruits? Yes, because fruits are healthy, tasty, correct? But how do these fruits grow? See children, now you can see picture of bud on the screen. These buds grow into a flower. How? By opening petals one by one. When all the petals open, the flower grows. Okay, you can see the petals are opening slowly, and when the petals open fully, we can see the flower. Now, how does the fruit grow? These petals fall down. Okay, and the lower part of these petals grow bigger. या ज्या पाकळ्या असतात ना पेटल्स त्या सगळ्या पडून जातात आणि मग त्याच्या खालचा जो भाग असतो तो मोठा मोठा व्हायला लागतो. ओके, सी द पेटल्स आर फॉलन डाऊन अँड द लोअर पार्ट गेट्स बिगर अँड बिगर अँड इट कीप्स ऑन ग्रोईंग टू गेट into a fruit. It grows into a fruit and thus we get the fruits. So in this way we get all the fruits. Now which fruits do we eat? We eat so many fruits. And not only we eat fruits, we also drink juices, correct? Because fruits are juicy, tasty and good for our health. They are good to eat. Correct? Let us see some fruits. See, this is chiku, then pomegranate and strawberry. But more than these, we eat so many fruits like mango, jackfruit, papaya, then banana, orange, so many fruits. Okay, so fruits are good to eat because they are very good for our health and they have seeds inside. But children, do we eat only fruits? No, we eat other parts of the plants too, like root, stem, flowers, etc. Now here you can see we eat leaves like mint. We eat roots like beetroot, correct? So let us learn more about it. So children, we eat parts of plants as food, and the parts of plant which we use as food are known as vegetables. Now we eat all the parts as vegetables. When we eat root as vegetable, those are known as root vegetables. When we eat fruits of plants as vegetable, those are fruit vegetables. Like this, all the parts are eaten. Now first let us see fruit vegetables. What are fruit vegetables? The vegetables which have seeds inside are known as fruit vegetables. Now you can see in the picture there are seeds in capsicum and tomato, correct? So these are fruit vegetables. Keep it in mind. The fruit vegetables which have seeds, they are fruit vegetables. Now see one by one. First one is lady's finger, भेंडी. आवडते ना तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना? So भेंडी means lady's finger, and brinjal, those have seeds inside, so they are fruit vegetables. Next is capsicum, then cucumber, then pumpkin, tomato. All these vegetables are fruits and they have seeds inside, so they are fruit vegetables. Okay, now let us see next. So children, sometimes the fruits are nothing but pods, म्हणजे शेंगा असतात. ओके, आणि त्या शेंगांना पॉड असं म्हणतात. सो pods are also the fruits of plants. Pod is a thin cover for the seeds, or it is like a pocket. Okay, some pods are used as vegetables. For example, green peas, which you know, and cluster beans. Cluster beans म्हणजे गवार. So these beans we eat as vegetables. These are fruit vegetables because they have seeds inside. Now this you also know, French beans. We eat this vegetable in pulao also, correct? So it has seeds inside and it is a type of fruit. So it is fruit vegetable. Now children, we will stop here today. Next session we will learn all the other vegetables. Okay, till that time, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.